A certain college's enrollment at the beginning of 1992 was 20% greater than it was at the beginning of 1991. So let's say 1991, it's X. In 1992, to figure out the increase, you take what it was in 1991, and it went up 20% of X. So it's going to be 1.20X. And its enrollment at the beginning of 1993 was 15% greater than it was at the beginning of 1992. So that's going to be 1.15 times 1.20x. The college's enrollment at the beginning of 1993 was what percent greater than its enrollment at the beginning of 1991? So how much greater is this than that? Well, here's the original, okay? I don't see a quick way to do my math. I'm just going to do 1.15 times let me erase that. Hold on. 1.20 or 1.2. 2 times 5 is 10. That's going to be 3. That's going to be 2. That's going to be a 5, a 1, and a 1. A 0, 8, 3, and a 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Got 1.38. So that's going to be 38%. Is that one of my choices? Yes. E.